Good morning. Today is Monday, March 2nd, 2026. It's Vijay here. Welcome to yet another episode of Pre-Market Commentary. I've titled today's commentary as Stock Market March Madness. March Madness is a tournament, a basketball tournament, which is played in the US, very popular. So in the stock market also, you have a wonderful time in March, a wonderful in terms of volatility. But if you're not careful enough, you can get cut both ways. March is also a time when it's a good time to scoop up bargains because there is less liquidity. People sell in panic because they have to pay taxes and they don't have any more money to spare. This time, March is special because we have Mr. Trump who has entered the arena and he's playing basketball with these Iranians, and Iranians are fighting back. And they have Israel and Saudi Arabia on Trump's side, whereas Iran does not have anybody. But please note, Iran is like a suicide bomber, and they can create havoc. They may not be able to do much harm, but they will do enough harm for the markets to be volatile. As I was mentioning yesterday, that there's a fog of war, so one doesn't know what exactly will happen. One can only guess, and a guesstimate sometimes helps us to decide what to do and what not to do. Over the weekend, people were talking of 1,000 point drop on Nifty, 500 point. People were all, the numbers which were being thrown out were huge. So if you look at Gift Nifty, which I really don't care too much, there was a 350 point opening gap, and now it shows as if 120 point down. On a normal day itself, you get Gift Nifty showing 120 points down. Let's look at what happened in the Asian markets, for instance. Asian markets, Kospi made a new high today, all-time high, and it's trading lower. Japanese market fell down about 1,500 points plus, and now I think as we speak, it's about down by about 900 points. Hang Seng also had fallen about 750 points. Now it's down around 590 points. Kospi is down by about 63 points. Singapore is down close to 2%. So 2% fall is par for the course. Even in the US, I think it was the Dow futures were down more than 600 and odd points. Now it's recovered to show around 300 and odd points. So it is the first day after the battle has started. So there will be some sort of buying, bargain hunting. But this bargain hunting, whether it will sustain or whether it is prudent, we will know in the next few days, because this is not the end of the war. Though Trump has done the taco where he has gone back. Now he says he wants to talk to Iranians because Iranians asked him to, they were willing to talk. This was happening already. Now Trump is very worried about the markets because he's got a huge stake and his cronies have got a huge stake. So therefore, he will try to dampen the volatility as much as possible. But please note, as I said, Iran is an unknown character right now because you don't know who is leading Iran and where the power structure is, because we have all the power structure, the whole power structure has been vanquished and been blasted out of the earth. So therefore, there will be volatility. You will see lots of bombing, and you will reports of bombing. One will not know how much, what is the damage, but the damage to the sentiment will be there in March. So March being an illiquid month with this additional burden of Trump and his cronies like Netanyahu will create some problem, but also many opportunities. So I'm looking forward to the opportunities as and when they come. We will continue to buy because I believe that this will not last for more than a month unless they put troops on the boots on the ground. And I don't think both the three people, Saudi Arabia, the US, and Israel, want to get into Iran because Iran is not. Iran is a very hostile territory, full of mountains. So it's difficult to enter into Iran because it's almost like encircled by mountains. Iran is also the second. It's as large, half the size of India. So it's not a small country. So I don't think Trump will dare do that, or Trump and his allies will dare do that. But you never know. But whatever it is, I'm looking for opportunities rather than panicking. So whatever you do, I hope it is successful. Thank you for joining me.